Adventist Health, in partnership with First 5 Kern, has had their mobile immunization clinics around since the 90s. The focus being getting children vaccinated against preventable diseases. 17's Ileana Capean joins us now. Ileana, why is this program more important than ever before?
Well, Alex, this program is more important than ever because we are seeing a decline in children receiving their normal booster shots and required immunizations for school. Now, health professionals are worried we may see outbreaks of preventable illnesses due to a fear of catching COVID-19, which kept parents from taking their children in to get routine health care over the past year. Early on in the pandemic, hesitation grew around being in hospitals, doctors' offices, and medical clinics. Because of this, the pandemic has caused child vaccination rates to drop anywhere from 12 to 20% in comparison to pre-pandemic times.
Because of the pandemic, you had a lot of kids who were not in school, they were home learning, they were not getting seen for their well visits at their pediatrician's office, and because they weren't actually having to go to school and the school wasn't checking, you had a lot of kids that were falling off. CARE
is the California Immunization Registry. They track all of the immunization data from pediatric doctors' offices across the state. This year, data shows unfortunate effects on child vaccination rates.
So compared to pre-pandemic, 12% fewer kids under the age of 3 got their first MMR vaccine. 19% fewer kids 4 to 6 received their second MMR vaccine, and 20% fewer adolescents that are the age of 11 to 13 received their Tdap booster.
The MMR vaccine protects against measles, mumps, and rubella, while the Tdap vaccine protects against tetanus, diphtheria, and pertussis. Both of these vaccines are required for school.
Child well-being is kind of at the heart of what we're after, and in order for a kid to be well, right, we want them in school, we want them learning, and they can't be in school and learning if they're sick, if they've got exposure to some of these childhood illnesses. They're not going to be in class. So the goal is to do this preventative work on the forefront, so that later on down the road we're not having to deal with outbreaks.
Adventist Health will be hosting a mobile vaccine clinic today in the Albertsons parking lot located at 1520 Brundridge Lane. They will be there from 9 to 11:30 in the morning and 12 to 2 p.m. in the afternoon. A second mobile vaccine clinic will be held at the Walmart parking lot on Colony Street on Thursday. For more details and a full list of the upcoming clinics, visit our website, kget.com. In studio, Ileana Capean, 17 News.
Yeah, get going now before the fall.
Yeah, for sure.